Hey everyone, it's Angela, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from Luisa Jewelry. I am so excited, and I'll do a little get ready with me. So let's just jump right into this video. I'm going to show you the packaging. It's really adorable, and let's unbox it together. Wow, so pretty. Starting off, I got this gorgeous necklace. This is the pebble necklace and it's in gold. I am so excited about this one. And then let me open the other one for you. I got these stunning earrings. I will put these on right now, show you all some close-ups so you can really see the detail. These are the beautiful earrings, and they have so many gorgeous options on their website, so definitely be sure to go check them out below. I have a link for you all, so definitely hop on their website. I'm going to show you some close-ups of these earrings because these are perfect for every day, and they will go with every single outfit. Honestly, they're timeless and just so stunning. And furthermore, I like that they're long-lasting, hypoallergenic, water resistant, and sustainable. So now that I have the gorgeous earrings on, I'm going to add this necklace, and I have a little fun yellow top for the springtime, so I thought the gold would really complement my yellow top. I love this pebble necklace. I feel like it's so unique and just, yeah, something that I haven't really seen before. So I'm going to put this pebble necklace on next, and it does have different clasp options, which is very convenient. So there's a few options. I need to see which one I prefer. Okay, I put the necklace on, and this is on one of the tighter settings. And look at how beautiful this looks. This is such a quick way to elevate your style without breaking the bank. And I love how shiny this necklace is. And if you wanted to, you could totally layer this necklace. And then I forgot to mention that these earrings are really fun because you can actually take this part off if you want to and just let it be the first section. So I'll show you really quickly. So you can take this off and then just like put this back on, which is fun. I'll probably wear the whole set together because I just really like the whole set. And I like bigger earrings, but that's a fun option for anyone that wants a more simple look, maybe for work or something like that. But I absolutely love the little twisted design on the bottom one. Okay, so that's my unboxing and try on haul. Be sure to definitely go click the link below and check out their website. They have fast and free shipping within the US, which is incredible. I received my pieces very quickly, and I love that these will last me a very long time and that they're high quality and yeah, just very beautiful and elegant. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and once again, be sure to go check them out. They are incredible. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.